Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. The topic of this presentation is mastering the art of rest. We got the image from Pexels. We will put the link below in the description to make it easier for you to follow the steps of creating this slide with us so you can practice with us. Of course, you can also choose any image you want that is related to the theme of the presentation and follow the steps of our design. For convenience, as usual, next to the design area we have placed the colors we will be using along with their hex codes on that particular title slide so you can practice with us. In this presentation we will play with image and the parallelogram shape. First we want to insert the image. We go to insert ribbon, we choose picture, this device, we choose the image that we want to insert and click insert. We drag the image from the white dots with the help of the Ctrl and Shift pressed to cover the entire slide. Then we want to insert the shapes that will frame the title. We go to insert, shapes, we choose rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it to the left side of the slide. We go to shape format, size height the entire length of the slide and width 12 cm. It's about 4.72 inches if you have inches in your settings. Then we will color the rectangle. Shape format, shape fill with eyedropper. We choose the first color from the left side outside of the design area, shape outline, no outline. Then we go to insert, shapes, we choose parallelogram, click inside the design area, drag and release it. Shape format, size, height the entire length of the slide and width 12 cm, 4.72 inches. We change its color, shape format, shape fill, eyedropper. We choose the second color from the left side outside of the design area, shape outline, no outline. We go to shape format, rotate, flip vertical. Then we copy this parallelogram, right click copy, right click paste. We change its color, shape format, shape fill, eyedropper. We choose the third color from the left side outside of the design area. We go to shape format, rotate, flip, vertical. And we put it in the desired position. Now we want to insert our title. We go to insert, click text box, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We choose font Pixart fonts, size 40, bold and italic, color white, and we write the title. We click the title, home, center the text. Mastering the art of rest, a guide to achieving quality sleep. Now we want to insert the presenter's name. We go to insert, click text box, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We choose again Pixar fonts, font, size 36, color white, bold and italic again, and we write by Martha G. Santos, and we put it in the desired position. Now we want to add a transparent rectangle to cover the entire slide. Insert shapes, we choose rectangle, click in the design area from the upper left corner to the lower right corner of the slide, drag and release it. Shape format, shape fill with eyedropper. We choose the first color from the left side outside of the design area, shape outline, no outline. Right click format shape, transparency 60%, right click, send to back, right click, send to back. We want the image back and then the transparent rectangle. All the other elements we want it in front. Now that we are done designing the title slide, we will put in animations. First we choose the slide, we go to transitions, wipe, effect options from right, as it is. We go to animations, we go to the first parallelogram, animations fade, start with previous, duration 0.50, we go to the second parallelogram, animations fade, start after previous, duration 0.50, we go to the rectangle, animations fade, duration, start after previous, duration 0.50, we go to the title, animations fade, duration 0.50, start after previous, we go at the presenter's name, animations fade, start after previous, duration 0.50, we go to the transparent rectangle, animations fade, start after previous, duration 0.50. And then we go at the slideshow button to see the final result. Click slideshow button. And that's it. Thank you for watching us. If you want, you can press the like and the subscribe button. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!